Hello everyone, I'm very happy today. We have a very special video, and this video is for all of you guys who are thinking of going into the rookie YouTube waters, and I want to show you what I bought today and how my videos are going to look like in the future. So I'm just going to show you 4 different things that I've purchased today, which I think are the very good quality things that can enable you to make some really awesome videos. So the first one, so we have 2-in-1. Now we'll have the short unboxing of Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. So this is an amazing small camera which is very useful for the future and current YouTubers. I've spent some time researching about this camera, and this is a very awesome, very cool camera which has iGeek 8. These are the characteristics, main things. iGeek 8 processor, which enables faster processing of your photos compared to Mark II. Then it has this CMOS lens, 1 inch. Then you have 20.1 megapixels. This is the 20.1 megapixel camera. You have wide 24 millimeters with zoom 4.2 times, and the lens is f 1.8 to 2.8, which is equivalent to 24 to 100 millimeter lens. It has very cool display, LCD display, which you can rotate in different directions. I'm going to show you in a minute. You can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second or 180 at 60 frames per second. You have raw images or JPEG, depends on you, and very importantly you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. Additional things which are very important for this camera is that you have this option that you have live YouTube streaming, which is support as a built-in feature, and you can also have also vertical video capture. Also, there is a slow motion video which is 180 over 120p. And you have the microphone now, and you can also add extended or external microphone, which was not the option before. You have 235 shot battery life. This is at least what Canon is saying that they provide. So this camera ranges from $750 to $800, depending where you purchased it. This one, in my case, was around $800, and I very much like it because it's very compact and you can really take it anywhere you want with you. Now, before opening the box, I'm gonna show you 3 more things that you will need as a rookie YouTuber like me. So the second thing is you need some sort of a stand. This is very basic one which I bought today to test. It's Manfrotto stand, which can be carried around very easily, and I was told that it has pretty nice smoothness when you take videos while moving around. You can also have this as a tripod, etc, etc. So this is this grip is not very expensive. It's around $30, I would say. $30, yes. And this is number 2. Number 3, without which you cannot function, this is the basic. You need the memory card. For this specific camera, the maximum capacity is 256 GB. You have wide range of those camera memory cards. I've just taken the basic one, 256, and this one costed around $50. So this is another edition. And the last thing is I bought this nice Case Logic case for carrying it around. So it's super cool, super convenient, and this pouch was around $10. So altogether with the camera, I've spent today around $900, or more specifically $890. So let's see and open it up. This little thingy has few things inside. Okay, this is a warranty card. This is the manual, right? Who needs the manual? Then we have the charging cable, right? That you need it for charging your battery. Also, of course, the battery is inside. So this is the basic charging cable. We have the battery itself. This is the battery. Let me just open it quickly. Oh, sorry, this is battery charger, not battery. So you can, charge your camera battery, right? And then we move on to the main thing. So here we have the battery itself. Let me just open it quickly. Canon battery pack, which is 1250 milliamp hours at 4.5 watts per hour, rechargeable lithium ion battery. So this is the original battery for the camera. And let's see how the camera itself looks like. So this is the camera. I know it's not the newest model, but it has very good reviews, awesome reviews online, and especially, so this is the camera itself, very neat. This is the black version. You also have a silver finish. I went with this one because I really like it. I'm not gonna turn it on now, I'll do it later. So from now on, my videos will be shot on this little thingy. What I especially like is this thing that you can really, rotate and even if you do you are shooting yourself, you can see the image here. Or if you have some difficult angles, you can, look at this and see how the image looks like. I was also, there is a major competitor of this, which is Sony, and there is a similar camera with a similar functionality, but they don't have this manual option where you can set up different options while shooting pictures or videos, manually. So this is it. This is what I purchased today, guys. So from now on, you will be hopefully seeing me in a better way. I'm gonna also show my face more. So these are the basic elements that I think any YouTuber need if you don't have enough money for the beginning. As you all know, I've done all of my videos so far on iPad Pro, and I've decided to take it up a notch a little bit and increase the quality. I really hope you all will like this change. Thank you for watching.